Hey guys, today I will be unboxing their Microsoft Xbox controller for the PC. This one comes with a USB cable that is 9 feet long, and it also has a 3.5mm stereo headset jack, and it has Bluetooth connectivity. Alright, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. It comes in this bag. It's not even a box. Okay. Nothing else in there. What's this? Oh, it's my shipping list. There it is, guys. Now, let's open the box up. Seal off here. Nothing in there. There's the controller. And here's your Bluetooth button right here. USB connector right here. And it has a pretty nice feel to it. So this is what I'll be showing on some of my PC games, because I want people to know that you can play your games with your controller, because that's why a lot of people are scared to use their PC for gaming, you know, because they're so used to their controller and they don't want to leave it. But I'm going to show you guys that you can play with your controller. Okay, that's a video I'm going to make later on down the line, so guys, be on the lookout for that. See what else is in this box. Here's the cable. It's a 9 feet long USB cable. This goes to the controller right here. This part goes into your PC USB. It has your instruction manual, setup, just the regular stuff. Yep, that's all that's in there, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.